guys, welcome to our room. Tonight, we will spend our night here as a celebration of my birthday. A once in a lifetime experience. This is expensive, but I'm not the one who paid for it. It's Jan Jan's gift for me. So thank you, Jan Jan. And you know, it's so amazing. I think it's worth the money we paid. The three of us will stay here. Look at the bar. May sauna. No. This is, I think, the bodega.
Wow, there's bodega here.
May bodega.
May bodega. CR. And, what's this?
Closet?
Dili siya ma?
No.
Ay! Dili. Ano na siya?
Control.
So we have free chocolates here, so I'm gonna get all the free.
Freebies. Wala ba yung bayad? Basta may
No,
bayad
this is
na
free, I
siya.
think. And then, see the beach. Please.
This is Jumeirah area. Ayan. So, this is exclusive access, no? To the Jumeirah Beach.
Parang gold lahat. And let's go to the second floor. The main...
I'm just gonna enjoy myself here.
Dito ka na.
Oh.
Uwa na dito sa vlog. Ikaw mag-tour-tour dahil. Chika dahil.
Okay, so see, there's chandelier there. Very nice.
Same with my stairs in the house. The it is, but... Now I know. I have to put carpet on my stairs.
So if you have Rayuma, you can go to this hotel.
Yeah.
Alright. Welcome to the master's bedroom.
Yeah.
Master's bedroom is at second floor. So gusto mo yung hotel na may second floor, ang room.
And here, the jacuzzi. Wow. I think it's just like similar to my jacuzzi in the
Yeah.
Philippines.
But I think mas malaki yung sa bahay.
Yeah, it's good.
Mhm.
Because it's only for, I think for two.
Yeah.
And wow.
This is the comfort room.
Maybe I will not use it. I'll just bring this for a souvenir.
Souvenir na lang.
Oh,
Ang mga
this-
lotion.
Yeah, there is Hermes Paris. See?
Oh, we're
my
gonna bring
God.
all these.
Yeah.
Ang mga Hermes, ang ilahang ang ilahang mga toiletries.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diyos ko, Lord.
And see?
Si tama lagi Hermes, lagi ang toiletries.
Oh, this
I,
is
I saw it in the in the vlog.
Here it's very big.
This is the walk-in closet.
And maybe this one I'll bring home this also.
Laundry bag.
If there's
It's for
kidnapper,
laundry
I can hide myself.
Perks sa being small.
Yes.
Yeah,
Small size.
Me and even me and even can stay here.
Walk-in closet talaga.
And then the slippers,
Oh, wow.
beach slippers and room slippers.
So, iuwi din natin yung mga sleepers.
Blue one for the boy.
Gaya mo sa Pinoy, no?
But I think they will deduct it from the deposit.
But
Ang mahal ng
guys,
deposit.
mind you, because we thought we will not pay
Anything anymore?
anymore, but they will ask for 1,000
Dirham.
Dollars.
No,
Deposit.
dirhams deposit for each person. So, if you'll book here, be sure to bring cash. Because you paid your room, but you cannot access your room because you need security deposit.
Because maybe you will steal everything.
See? And this is our bed for tonight. Wow! Sobrang lambot.
Hermes ang toiletries.
Sobrang lambot. Okay,
Baka
guys.
ito pwede natin dalhin. Well, we're gonna enjoy our one night stay here.
Yeah, and then we're going down for our lunch. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Babe, ilang minutes?
Yeah.
Tapos mamayang gabi, we'll be there on the beach.